There is one thing every entrepreneur will need to be successful. It doesn't matter if you are starting a Shopify dropshipping store, or even if you just provide e-commerce services or own an e-commerce brand like myself. You must assemble a team, and it all starts with your first hire. So I was chatting with fellow entrepreneurs in a private online group this morning, and someone brought up this question. Hey, I'm looking to hire my first employee for my e-com business. What should I keep in mind? And how can I make sure I'm getting my money's worth? This person is scaling their e-commerce business, but they are seriously stressed out. They're juggling filming content for ads, running Facebook, Google, TikTok, doing their own fulfillment, even doing customer service, inventory management, sourcing new products, finding suppliers, and writing emails. Let's face it, managing an online store is no walk in the park. That's when you need someone who can help boost your profits and lighten your workload. After all, what's the point of having a 6 or 7 figure e-commerce business if you don't have any free time to enjoy it? So who should be your first hire? A business manager, a customer service rep, or maybe a digital marketer? From my experience of scaling multiple dropshipping stores to now owning successful e-commerce brands, a customer service team is crucial in any organization. Your customers are the heart of your business, so it's essential to be available for their questions and concerns. Excellent customer service can make the difference between a completed sale or an abandoned cart. The reality is that people are lazy. If someone isn't interested in your product but has a question, they won't dig through your website to find the answer. If they can't easily ask their question and get a fast response, they'll likely leave the site even if the answers is right there in the FAQs. Also, if they decide to ask the question after the purchase, someone must be available via email, live chat, or phone. If not, this may cause them to second guess the legitimacy of your company and result in refund requests, or some may just report you to your bank and place a chargeback, which results into you building up a bad relationship with your payment processor. But wait a minute, each e-commerce business is unique, and it has its own specific needs. If your business is in its early stages, you may not need a customer service rep right away, but rather a marketing specialist. Why would you need customer service if you don't even have customers yet? The first step is to market and promote your business so effectively that customers can't resist choosing you over big name competitors. A skilled marketing specialist should focus on a certain advertising platform, freeing you from frustration of navigating the ever-changing ad platform rules. As the business owner, you should understand your customers and know which platform to focus on, and then find an expert who advertises on that platform for you. Here's a quick tip. Don't just focus on TikTok because every other person is saying TikTok. Understand your demographic of customers and also if the platform will allow you to market those products that you sell. Now, you might be asking yourself, how can I afford to hire someone if my business isn't generating enough profit yet? Great question. An alternative solution is to utilize AI to help manage certain tasks if you can't afford your first hire just yet. AI can assist you with customer service through chatbots, managing your social media posts, coming up with ideas for your ads, and even aid in email marketing, all for a fraction of the cost of a full-time employee, even free. Incorporating AI into your business strategy allows you to save time, money, and effort, so you can focus on growing your business until you're ready to bring in human team members. In the meantime, consider training yourself in some of these roles and doubling up until you can afford your first employee. Having the right skill set can save you money during those early stages. And let's not forget the importance of a product expert. This person knows every product in your e-commerce business inside and out. They understand which customers are interested in specific products, how to improve products to boost sales, and most importantly, how to address customer service questions about any product. As the owner of your business, you're the first qualified product expert on the scene. Learn everything there is to know about your customers who buy your product. Quick tip, read reviews from others who sell your products and see what they love or hate about the products they sell. Does this mean you need to master all 3 roles we mentioned? Not at all. Just focus on at least 2 of these skills to build your business. And if you play your cards right, you'll be able to hire your first employee in no time. Sure, growing an e-com business to profitability on your own can be tough, but the freedom you'll gain is priceless. So take the plunge. Remember, if today is hard, tomorrow will be beautiful. Do you think I missed out any important roles for e-commerce businesses? Let us know in the comment section. I'm always interested in learning from you guys' experience, and I'm sure others will appreciate it as well. Also, if you're new to the channel, let me quickly introduce myself. I'm a 27-year-old e-commerce entrepreneur who owns 2 7-figure e-commerce brands with my wife, and I'm passionate about helping start and scale their e-commerce businesses. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button to my channel for more videos. See you guys next time. Thanks.